Collegetown Center to see apartment number 510. This is a corner unit, 2-bedroom apartment on the 5th floor of the building. We enter into the kitchen area. We have a cute counter bar space. Over here is the appliances, stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, some cabinets. Let's go on into the living space. We'll pass by the bathroom and see that at the end. Here in the living room, we're furnished with this easy chair, end table, sofa, coffee table, dining set. Let's go into the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. This one has a fantastic lake view. We're looking to the north. The bedrooms will be furnished with a full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and bookshelf. We're up on the 5th floor of this 6th floor building. We're located at 151 Dryden Road. We're just 1 block from campus. Here's the second bedroom. This building features a fitness room on the 1st floor, laundry on floor 6 that's operated by credit cards, a front desk concierge service, elevator, package service. Let's come on through and look at the bathroom. We'll take a peek. There's a tub shower, sink, vanity, toilet. So that's a look at Collegetown Center 510. We're in a 2-bedroom apartment in Collegetown Center.